everyone, Sue here again from Sue's Dolbrodmaeth garden. It's quite late today and I've just come out into the polytunnel because I'm just going to put these plants in what I got yesterday. I forgot to take Simon's leaves. His leaves, I forgot to take them. Oh, he asked me for those lunchtime. Anyway, so this morning I was cleaning the kitchen and everything. I thought I'd do that because we had a delivery from Asda, so it was quite early. But I've done that deliberately, having the delivery early to make me get up. And I do loads today. But I have been resting for like 3 hours now because I have to rest a lot so as not to wear myself out too much. Anyway, so I've just come out and I want to show you the plants that I bought from the supermarket, which I'm going to put into my beds. So I just want to show you those. They didn't have all the ones I wanted, but they had most of them. So I'm just going to show you those, and then then I'm going to go and do some strimming actually, because I haven't done any strimming. I've got my new strimming wire now. Simon done some strimming yesterday, but I actually want to do some strimming today. And then we'll have a quick look around the polytunnel to see what's grown since the last time I looked, which was yesterday. But every day things grow really quick now, and I'm like, oh, I need to check on that, because when I watch back on my videos, sometimes I forget what's on the tables, and I'm like, oh, I need to check on that, because that must need moving on by now. But yeah, so, and it's a good time to sow more seeds. I ordered more seeds today. Anyway, let me hang you up and I'll tell you what I've ordered. Okay, about 20, I don't know what that is in centigrade, Fahrenheit. Anyway, it's warm, that's what I know. Anyway, I just want to show you the plants that I bought from the supermarket. Let me just show you. So, you see these are like those growing plants, you know, and they don't put them in a pot no more, they're just in like a little brown bag, and they've got good root ball system. So what you do is you just plop these in your garden. So I bought, they're 90 pence, that's cheaper than going to the nursery and buying a plant there. I mean, these are 90p each, all of them. So I've got, and I was having trouble growing thyme, so I bought 2 thyme plants. So I bought 2 thyme because I'm growing it inside the polytunnel. Oh, it smells amazing. But you know what, I need some thyme. I've tried growing it a couple of times, it just won't seem to germinate. So I'm going to do it this way. So we got these 2 plants, and then we got the basil. I wanted to have a coriander, but they didn't have any coriander. They sent me coriander replacement, you know, chopped up in a bag. This is not really what I wanted, but never mind, I'll use it. But they sent me a basil to replace it, but I am actually growing tons of basil in here. So, but never mind, this one was ready now, so we're eating this one first. So we had some of this today in our salad. And then the last but not least is flat parsley. So I've got this parsley, which is the flat leafed one, not the curly leafed one. So we got that one. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the parsley. I think this one's going to flower. We'll leave this one. We'll replace a smaller one down the other end. The coriander's completely gone over. There's nothing there to, even if I cut it down, it's just all stalks at the bottom. So I'm going to have to try and sow some more coriander seeds. I'm just hoping I've got some in one of these buckets here. But firstly, we're going to plant all these in the polytunnel. It's much cooler in here now, which is nice. What else? Yeah, I ordered some seeds today. So I've ordered some statice, because I bought a couple of bunches of flowers for myself, because I love having flowers indoors. I know they're only supermarket flowers, but at least they're delivered. It's easier for me to get them from there. I know I can go to a flower store and all this, but it's quite difficult for us being here, and Simon's getting over gout. at the moment, so it's hard for us to drive anywhere right now, and my car's run out of MOT. So I'm not driving at the minute. So anyway, so I ordered some status, different colour status, because I love status. It makes amazing dried flowers, like dried flowers. So I've ordered a packet of status seeds because there was some status in my bunch of flowers. I've ordered some, oh my god, I can't pronounce them. They're another dried, like a flower that dries. Oh, they're Helly something or other. I don't remember what they're called. They look like sort of like a... I'll show you them when they come. You'll probably remember them once you see them. They're like another flower that you can have as a dried flower. So I've ordered some of them as well. And the other thing I ordered was, there was one more. I ordered 3 packets of seeds just now before I came out. Oh, what was the other thing I ordered? Yeah, I ordered them. I can't remember. I cannot remember the other seeds that I ordered. Oh, they're like this other dried flower that I've never seen before. Looks amazing. I forgot what it's called now, but as soon as they come I'll show you the packets, and we're going to sow those straight away, and then we're going to put them all in the garden, all these plants, all these flowers. I mean, I've got millions of flowers in here that I'm growing. They're all going out in the garden. Yeah, we've got so much to do. It's really warm over the other side of the garden. It's lovely and cool over here in the afternoon, but over the other side it's boiling hot now. I watered all round the no-dig garden area today, and I watered all round the pond area where we got some seeds that I threw in. I'm going to have to get these gladioli in round there, like as soon as possible really. I'm going to have to make pockets, and I'm going to have to make sure I keep watering them. That's the only thing, because they're quite thirsty. I've got loads in these blue things, and I need to get them out now. They're getting too big. I'm going to have to get them out before they keel over, because they run out of energy. Anyway, but the first thing we need to do is put these in this garden here. So I'll do that, and then I'll show you afterwards. It's easier for me to do it that way rather than rigging up the camera. I'm just going to pop them down here where I've got the rosemary in that already. Okay, so then on the 2nd of June I've been trimming all outside. I moved all the beetroot inside the polytunnel, separated it all, and moved all those you know, the herbs I just had, put them over the other side. I'll quickly show you. I've got a load more seeds out of what we're going to sow in June. So I've separated them into flowers and food, and we're going to just sow a load more seeds this month. Anyway, let me just show you what I'm going to sow. Well, not go through the packets. I'll go through the packets tomorrow or the next day and show you what I'm going to sow. I won't be doing them all today anyway. I won't be doing them all now. I'll have to go and get some compost first. Anyway, I just want to show you what I'm going to do. What I've done. So okay, I've separated some seeds, so I went through all my seeds and took out some more. So in here we've got a load of flowers, and in here we've got a load more veg and stuff. So we're gonna sow these over the course of over this month. So they're for June. So we're going to do that, as well as all the rest of the stuff that we still got to put in. So over here we've watered everything, flattened everything as normal. Watered everything. This whole polytunnel's been watered again. I'm just going to shut the back door. Let's go around my stool. Definitely got to put the cabbage out tomorrow. I keep saying this, it's starting to yellow a bit. You see that? I need to put it in, it'll soon revive. I must do that tomorrow. The trouble is, in the day when it's, you know, when you can go outside, it's really hot. And then it's like, I don't really want to put them in then, but I'm going to have to. Anyway, I've brought it all in here. Look at my cucumbers, they're already growing. But this is the bed I just did. So what I did was I put the thyme, which is all falling over because I watered it, the rosemary and the basil in the middle, and they're all around the edge. And then remember, there's rocket around the edge of this bed, and then in between I've put in all of the beetroot that I had in this bed. So I had a load of beetroot all clumped together in this bed. So I've separated it all out, and I've, like, you can see where I put it. So the next job to do is, once this bed's cleared, I'm going to sort out the celery next and take out the Alison. So that's what we're going to do. Look at the teasels, I was just looking at them. Hi babe. And there's some hollyhocks there. Yeah, I was just thinking about where all those plants were. I don't think those tomatoes are doing very well. I might just move them and put them on this table over here and see if they do better. I think it's soil, you know, that I put them in. I don't think they like that sort of John Innes soil. They don't seem to like it. It's quite heavy. Oh look, this is going to flower. Anyway, I need to turn the camera around and say goodbye, because it's nearly 8 o'clock in the evening, by the way. And I need to go indoors now and relax, say goodbye. So I think I've done really well today. So I've watered everything in the polytunnel, watered all around the pond, watered all my brassicas over there. Everything over this side of the garden I watered yesterday, I think. So I'm just going to go in now. So everything, oh, our little birdie has fledged. I did say that in the previous video, I think. Yeah, because I use anyway, so I will show you another day all the seeds that I'm going to sow in June. Okay, because I've got them here on the table and I'll go through them with you. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon in the next video. Please give me a like and a thumbs up and let me know what you're sowing in June. Bye for now. Bye.